Let me explain what happened to them. Just chill. So let me explain. So my man came to the house yesterday. He said, make rice and beans. I said, fine, I'll make rice and beans for Valentine's Day, which is today. Now he came to the house and asked me, have I made the food? I said, yes, I've made the food. See, put this iPod here. He came, he opened the food and said, what's
Mama,
this? That's the food that he asked me to make. I said, yes, now it's not rice and beans that I should make. He said, no. That he asked me to make beans and rice. What am I eating? He asked me to make rice and beans.
I don't get time.
Rice and beans. Then like he said, I should make beans and rice and I'm making rice and then it's over.
They do.
You are breaking up with that what happened and I made beans and rice. I made rice and beans.
Don't worry, you will regret.
What the difference between beans and rice and beans?
No, difference go. Difference go. Difference go, bro. Between rice and beans. Difference go.
Rice and beans and rice.
Check on, not be safety now. Rice and beans. Rice.
Jesus.
Beans. Now the one they put separate.
Yes,
Rice on that board. Beans on that side.
Bam.
Goku give your man. Yeah, beans and rice. Collabo.
Beans and rice. Just say beans.
Rice.
Rice.
That is very good.